Okay, so again, I'm not really worried about the 4. I'm worried about this, nested fraction, so to speak. And, to write it down is to understand what we're looking for. And it's nested within itself. And what would that be? 1, 2 plus 1 over 2 plus, I'm going to say x. And the reason for that is it just keeps repeating the same thing over and over again. And so it's within itself. So I'm just going to say this. And these two sides are identical. All right. If they're infinite expansions, they're going to be identical. All right. But you understand the x is that 1 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2, blah, blah, blah. I got to solve this. All right. And after I solve it, then I'll add 4 to it. So what I'm going to do now is multiply the top and the bottom by 2 plus x. And what do you get there? You get x equals 2 plus x. Then you're going to get 4 plus 2x plus 1. You're going to get x equals 2 plus x. And that's going to be 5 plus 2x now. All right, let's keep moving through it. And you're going to get 5x plus 2x squared equals 2 plus x. 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Makes it easier for me. X squared, whoops, I made a mistake. I just noticed it. Oh, no, I didn't make a mistake. I'm sorry. I thought I made a mistake. I was seeing the 5. I thought I made a mistake with the 5. No. No, I'm okay. Divide by 2. You get x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. And let's see what you get there. X equals quadratic formula. And what do you get there? Twice a, 2, minus 2, plus or minus 4, minus 4ac, so plus 4. So you get x equals minus 2, plus or minus, well, that's 8, so 2 root 2 over 2. X equals minus 2, plus or minus 2 root 2. All right, now before I say anything, I want to talk about, we're adding a bunch of positive terms together over here. It's got to be a positive number. So let's take a closer look at it. So x would have to be what then? It would have to be 2 root 2 minus 2. Now, I know you think that's the answer, but right now you're forgetting something. And you're forgetting to do this over here. So the surd that we're looking for, I have to add 4 to that x. So x plus 4 is going to be 2 root 2, and we're adding 4 to both sides, plus 2. This is the surd they're looking for. Let's look at the key, though, see if I got that. And let's see what they wrote down here. Oh, you know what? I wrote the wrong number down. I got to correct it, and I apologize. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. When I divide it through by 2, and I'm tired, that's not an excuse, but it's minus 1 plus or minus root 2, my error. X is a positive number. What's x? It's going to be, let's see, root 2 minus 1. But again, I want to remind you, we have to add 4 onto that. This is the x portion of the problem. This is this nested fraction that we're dealing with. And so I add 4. So what do you get? X plus 4 equals root 2 plus 3. I'm adding 4 to both sides. That's the number. That's the number they're giving us over here. I need to delete this part, by the way. All right, we're done with that one. Not a bad problem. Again, what might have thrown some students over here is this 4. All right, they wouldn't know what to do with it. All right. Again, we're looking for the nested nature of this. And again, I want to repeat this over here. This thing over here is identical to this thing over here. It's nested, goes on forever. All right, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the two. All right, okay, thank you.